Good day guys, hi, this is Jody. I'm back. I'm now frying some chicken and I pour some water in it and let it dry until the chicken cooks well and nicely done until it dries up, and let the oil of the chicken comes out, and also some of the moist. And as you can see, there's no much skin on the chicken, and let it cook on its own oil. And now I will cover it until it's cooked and fried on its own. And there you go. I have some mixed vegetables: sayore, cabbage, onion, and carrot, and tomatoes fried on or sauteed in olive oil. And I got some chicken, shredded chicken from the previous chicken that I cooked, and put some salt and pepper and eggs and mix it well. Make sure there's no bones or skin, and mix it nicely. And we will make torta, so that's an additional ulam. And also salt and pepper to taste, make sure, but not too much salt. And there, I have to fry it. There you go. Voila. It's cooked already. It's not yet not so perfect. I didn't show it to you how it's done, but there you go. And now some rice. This is the Narada rice. I wonder if it becomes min. And some nilaga. Pork nilaga without fat. Thank you guys, and God bless.